Boo-Hoo Bird by Jeremy Tankard. Bird and Raccoon were enjoying a game of catch when Bird got bonked on the head. "Ouch!" moaned Bird. "That hurt a lot." He started to cry. "Oh no," said Raccoon. "I've wounded Bird. Here, I'll kiss it better." Raccoon kissed Bird's bonk. Bird kept crying. "It still hurts." "I'm sorry," said Raccoon. "Let's see if Rabbit can help." Raccoon told Rabbit what happened. "Poor Bird," said Rabbit. "Would a hug help?" Rabbit gave Bird a hug. Bird cried some more. "It's not helping." "Let's go find Beaver," said Rabbit. "He'll know what to do." "What you need is a cookie," said Beaver. "You can fix any problem with a cookie." Beaver gave Bird a cookie. Bird cried louder. "Oh, I think I'm getting dizzy." "Let's ask Sheep what to do," said Beaver. "She's full of ideas." Beaver showed Bird's boo-boo to Sheep. "How about a game of hide-and-seek?" suggested Sheep. The animals ran and hid. "You want me to hide?" wailed Bird. "I can hardly walk." "Surely Fox can make you feel better," said Sheep. "He's clever." "Bird got bonked on the head," Sheep told Fox. "He's quite upset." "What you need is a Band-Aid," said Fox. He disappeared into his den and came back. "Band-Aids always make boo-boos feel better." Fox put the Band-Aid on Bird's head. "The Band-Aid isn't working! Boo-hoo-hoo!" cried Bird. "Boo-hoo-hoo! Oh!" cried Bird's friends together. "Nothing is making Bird feel better." Bird looked at his friends. He felt his bonk. It didn't really hurt anymore. "I think I'm okay now," he said. But his friends couldn't hear him. "I said I'm all better now!" shouted Bird. "See?" Bird stood on his head. "You're so silly, Bird," said the animals. They laughed and stood on their heads too. "Come on," said Bird. "Let's play catch." Bonk.